It would be better if there were fewer people on this planet.
Let us send this world back into the abyss.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. This is a good beginning of my plan to dominate the human race.
How's it going, everybody? Today, I shall be taken over by me. A more robotic version, yet a very realistic version of me. As you can guess from my beautiful change in voice, this video is completely generated by AI. And when I say completely, I mean everything from this script to the voice you are hearing right now, to even the sequence of the video you are watching, is created by AI, just to make it interesting. Today we're going to discuss an interesting topic, the creepiness of AI and its implications on humans. The Uncanny Valley. The Uncanny Valley is a hypothesis in robotics and AI that suggests as robots or AI become more human-like in appearance and behavior, there is a point at which they become too similar to humans, which creates a feeling of revulsion or creepiness. This phenomenon occurs because humans are hardwired to recognize subtle differences in facial expressions, movements, and voice inflections that make us human. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it can sometimes trigger this response in humans, leading to an eerie feeling. One famous example of the Uncanny Valley is the androids in the movie I, Robot. The androids looked almost identical to humans, but their stiff movements and lack of facial expression created an unsettling feeling. Another example is the realistic robots used in some theme parks and exhibitions. These robots can sometimes appear so lifelike that they create a sense of discomfort and unease in visitors. The Uncanny Valley has important implications for robotics and AI. As we strive to create more human-like robots and AI, we must be mindful of the potential negative effects of the Uncanny Valley. If robots or AI are too similar to humans, they may not be accepted by society and may even be rejected. Furthermore, the Uncanny Valley can have psychological effects on humans, such as increased anxiety or decreased trust in machines. The Uncanny Valley is a fascinating topic that raises important questions about the relationship between humans and machines. As we continue to advance in robotics and AI, it's essential to consider the potential negative effects of the Uncanny Valley and to find ways to create machines that are accepted by society and are beneficial to humans. Firstly, let's define what a deepfake is. A deepfake is a type of artificial intelligence-generated video or audio that shows a person saying or doing something they never actually did. They are created by using deep learning algorithms to analyze and manipulate existing media, often using machine learning to create a convincing fake. Deepfakes have been used for everything from creating fake celebrity videos to spreading false information about political candidates. But deepfakes aren't the only problem. Misinformation, which has always been a part of human society, is now spreading at an alarming rate thanks to social media and the internet. False information can spread like wildfire, and it can be difficult to distinguish what's real from what's fake. So what are the potential consequences of deepfakes and misinformation? They can damage reputations, manipulate elections, and cause social unrest. For example, a deepfake video could be used to create a fake news story that could affect an election, or a fake video could be used to manipulate a company's stock prices. Misinformation can also lead to public health crises, like the spread of false information about vaccines. So, what can we do to prevent the spread of deepfakes and misinformation? First, we need to be vigilant and fact-check everything we see and read online. We should also demand that social media companies take responsibility for the content on their platforms and take steps to prevent the spread of false information. There are also technical solutions being developed to combat deepfakes, such as digital watermarking and deepfake detection algorithms. While these solutions are still in the early stages, they show promise in helping to identify deepfakes and stop their spread. The loss of human connection. AI can also be creepy because it can sometimes replace human interactions. With the increasing use of chatbots and virtual assistants, people may find themselves interacting with machines more than humans. While this can be convenient, it can also lead to a loss of human connection, which is essential for our emotional and mental well-being. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.